for this Davao Occidental team. It should be an exciting matchup between Davao and Bacolod.
Well, nabanggit nga natin, itong Bacolod galing sa panalo. Same starting lineup is that Kurt Lohera in for Kenneth Ighalo. And also si
Kelly Nab.
agad ang depensa. Itong Bacolod, sumona.
Nabong inside, and Kelly Nabong puts it in for two, and he will get the band.
Mukha.
Coach Paul San Jose. Manzo
Another change of defense.
inside again. Nabong, the fadeaway is good.
So, 3 possessions, defensive possessions, tatlong palit na depensa, mga high-low actions binibigay sa kanya and showing the ability to fade as well with that jumper.
Casinillo, mid-range J, and he knocks it down.
Another staggered.
Mag-Olayon, binabantay ni Ubalde. They go to De La Cruz. Nag-cut si Lohera, easy two.
Yeah, that's the second time already we're in good fit.
Lohera takes the jumper. Too strong. Manzo with the offensive rebound, and he puts it in.
Arguably the smallest guy on the court getting...
Casinillo quickly to Marilao. Danny Marilao.
And in.
Ighalo and Koga in the ballgame to Malip from way out.
Malayo masyado yun.
Indrada picks it up.
How
and
about
puts it
Ken
in.
Ighalo keeping that ball alive? Ends up in UT.
Labas muna si Utien. Koga uses the left hand, and Yusei Koga, he's got that in his bag.
Has the ability.
Completes a three-point play. Yusei Koga, and quickly to Galit. Galit will pull up and knock it down.
Well, he has that in his bag. Gusto ni Canel tong matchup. Kanina pa niya hinihingi yung bola.
Kanyal. Oh, nice move.
Kita mo naman.
Great footwork.
Iba talaga yung galawan ng mga taga-Bacolod eh.
Remaining. Oh, steal by Piromingan. Fast break for Bacolod. Piromingan lays it in.
Oh, what a finish. You gotta be impressed with that finish.
To tie the game at 17. This end of the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
10 minutes, 1 for 4 for 2 points at a couple of rebounds.
Nice read there from Cedillo. Dire-diretso siya. Jacob Galicia. Here's Piromingan. Will drive.
Oh.
Nice spin inside. Tricky Piromingan. He's been aggressive in this ball game to find Galicia underneath. Inside, Lohera. Hingi ng substitution si Tricky Piromingan. Win to the max. Galicia back to Española. JJ with a runner.
Oh, what a tough shot. That.
Riding the pick. Ubalde. Galicia. Look what I found. Jacob Galicia extends the lead to 7. That play read perfectly by Bacolod. JJ down low to Galicia. Yes, sir. Bacolod making a run in the second quarter. Manzo with a steal. Manzo with a layup. Great ball pressure to Malip. Nabong. Manzo now with Olayon. That's good.
I just love that play for Davao. Being able to create an advantage. Ball was swung around the horn, and the extra pass by Manzo leads to a 3 by Olayon.
Oh, Jacob Galicia is feeling it. 6 points.
Not on the post, on the other by Galicia.
To Malip. And Tigers finding the range from beyond the arc. Casinillo, pinabantay ni Manzo. LA. Nahanap si Manalang for the jumper. That's good. Inside, Manalang. Yes! Caught Nabong napping there. Marilao. It's a poor pass from Danny Marilao.
Guess who?
And June Manzo. Another steal and another basket. Halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball. The JJ Española ang 5 para sa Bacolod. Marilao, nakabuelo, and Danny Marilao puts it in.
You see, ito yung natake nga niya si Kelly Nabong of that nice roll and dive to the basket of the pass on the ball screen.
Obalde. Goes to Casinillo, fires a 3, nothing but net.
But there are
Olayon drives, no look pass, Nabong for the 2 points.
I thought he was gonna go for the slam nonetheless.
Picks the pocket of Obalde. Olayon too strong. De La Cruz for the putback. Baba ang bola. Here's Danny Marilao. Nice pass. Sabelina. One thing's for sure dito sa Bacolod. Kanina pa, even with the physicality ng Davao. Oh, nice pass. Olayon to De La Cruz.
But the thing with Bacolod, even in their last game,
Manzo for 3. That's good. June Manzo. Casinillo.
nice move.
Oh, off the glass and in. LA Casinillo, he will not be denied. 7 points. Under a minute remaining in the third. Ighalo for 3.
He has that shot. He has that shot. And that is a much-needed basket for...
His end of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL.
The corner roll in a basket for Kelly Nabong.
Pero Mingan, jumper is
Wow.
good.
Talk about being steady.
To Solomon, fast break para sa Bacolod. Galicia puts it in for 2.
You stop the clock, and then you get chances at the line.
Nabong knocks down the 3. 12 points now for Kelly Nabong. Posting up on Galit. There's a double team.
Good pass.
Swings it over to Olayon. 3-pointer is good.
What
Takbo ang Davao. They can tie the game here. Tumale puts it in. And 1.
for the three-point play.
It's rubbing off on everyone now. Taken away by Olayon. De La Cruz, the sidestep, the finish. The Tigers up by 3. 8 points para kay Art De La Cruz.
Dapat may insurance si mga gamit.
He looks fine. Galing. Lakas ni... Grabe. Hindi ko alam kung sa atin papunta yun.
Buti wala siyang nasipa.
Oh, Mas Canyal gets away from the D and scores.
Looks like...
So Malip, jumper, in and out. De La Cruz on the stick back.
Ang ganda ng execution na yun that led to, after the flex initiation, led to the open offensive rebound. Pero ito open sa ilalim. Little look away pass by Casinillo to Galicia. Numbers.
Tigers on the run. Art off the glass and in. Art De La Cruz. 12 points in the game para kay Art De La Cruz. Gamalinda on the other side. Fade away. Yes! Bam Bam Gamalinda.
That's his move. As Galit went to the floor.
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas. Happy ending na. Hashtag GameX Sports, says Terence Tomalip. Navio. 8 to shoot. Cedillo puts it in for 2. With the shot clock winding down.
It's one foul to give. So if you're Bacolod, you have to attack right away. If you're Davao, you better use it right now.
Casinillo pulls up. No! He was asking for a foul.
Wow. Both teams fortunate at that time because that was a good look by Casinillo going to his right.
Half. He misses the second, and yes, that will do it. The Davao Occidental Tigers pick up their first win in their return to the MPBL. What a game this was, Coach Christian, and Art De La Cruz ang napili mong best player of the game.
Well, because he was a difference maker in that second half, especially after being scoreless in the first half, 0 for 3 in the first half, and then, finish this game 5 for 10 for 12 points. But I thought his decision making, which something that you don't see on the stat sheet, that's the process of getting the numbers. I thought it was huge for them, especially in the second half, of being that playmaker and at the same time scoring the basketball.